Alright, this is our plotting test for the Blimp Group 30. We are testing out how well we can scan in data coming in from the Blimp, plot it out on the screen, and keep track of both the time at which all the data points were taken, and do so in the 5 directions that's what we're mapping, which are front, left, right, top, and bottom. You can see by the little ultrasonic sensors that we have spread about the Blimp. All of their sensors ready to go. So when I hit this scan surrounding button on here, you see this plot starts mapping everything out for us. So let's see how well it's doing. So right now, like, the right sensor obviously is very close to the wall. So if you can see it, the right sensor is the black line, which is right now sitting down there, and so it was one of the closest sensors to the wall. The next closest one is the orange, which happens to be the top, and as you can see, he's really close to the ceiling, so that makes sense. The bottom sensor, let's see, that I would estimate that to be a good 10 feet or so, and now he's bringing it down. So if we look, we should see the red line just coming down a lot. If I zoom in here, yeah, there it goes. It came down in the top, meanwhile it went back up. So those two are almost an inverse of each other, which makes sense because the room is only so tall. So plotting seems to be working. This keeps track of the time at which every point is taken. You can see time in seconds. We're currently getting close to 75 seconds, and it just keeps on plotting until I tell it to stop. And of course, saves it all in a log file in case you want to bring anything up later. This, along with saving the X, Y, and Z positions of the Blimp and the direction it's pointing, means you can pretty much map out any kind of building, any kind of structure you want. You have all the data at your disposal. So plotting seems to be working great.